Welcome to another update on trying to earn 10k a month over on Skool. As always, I'll share with you the numbers, the growth, and even the decline, and everything we're doing. As always, any questions, do let me know. So first, let's go ahead and look at our numbers. So the last update was on 200 members. We're now up to 400 members. So we've seen a hell of a jump. What's changed? Well, I'll show you. So if I come over here into settings, let's go on the dashboard. So you can see at this moment in time, our monthly recurring revenue is currently at $750. We're a hell of a long way away from that 10k a month mark, but it's part of the journey. So here you can see this is the numbers for the last 30 days. So in the last 30 days, we've had 278 signups, 43% conversion, which is pretty good, but then we have made it free, and then we've got $128. So what was the reason for the big growth in this? Well, I'll show you. So if I come over here and I go into the classroom, we've got all of these different classrooms. And sorry, I'm doing this video assuming you know what we're talking about. So this over here is a community called Faceless Freedom, and it's all around earning your first grand online without showing your face, without wasting time or any experience, okay? So everything I'm doing in my online business, we put into here and we break it down, as you can see here, into steps. So we've got the 3 classrooms at the beginning. This will take people through the whole concept of picking a niche, choosing the business model, choosing the platform, and basically going through it. So by the end of step 3 here, they've got everything ready to go. We've got walkthrough videos on here and a live example, okay? So we have this. Once they've gone through these 3 different steps, we then start breaking it down into the different methods. And you can see we've got a number of different faceless methods for earning online. Now, previously, we charged $10 a month flat rate for this, but the growth was starting to stagnate a little bit. So, in order to drive new members and get people within the community, I'll show you what we've done. So let me go to view as a member. So if someone comes in here now, this is how it will look for them. So this is free, this is free, this is free. We give them method 1, which is building a faceless YouTube channel, absolutely for free. And we also give them method number 2, which is ASMR. And then we've got a couple of different classrooms which we have got locked at levels. And in order for them to go up a level, so this one here, for example, level 2, it just means they've got to be active in the community. So like this one over here, they've got to get 5 points just from liking and commenting within the community, okay? Then we've got these down here, these other methods, which are all locked. So in order to get access to them, they need to sign up to Premium. Now, you can see on here, we've got different prices for this. So if somebody wanted to, not sign up to a monthly and just buy that actual product, they can go ahead and do it. But I'll show you this. So if somebody wanted to go on here, they would need to unlock with Premium. So they'd click on here and they go through. And you can see we've literally got 2 plans. We've got the standard, which is this one over here, and we've got $10 a month. And that's it. So I think for $10 a month, it's unbelievable value. And I genuinely mean that. So I'll show you the classroom, okay? It's like this one over here, method number 1. This is the YouTube classroom. We do all of this is free, so they can come in here, they can learn about setting up a faceless YouTube account. We walk through the whole process. We've got videos on here, choosing a niche, preparing your channel for monetization, and loads more stuff. We've also got loads of resources in here, so like different niches, copy what's working, and then we also have the custom GPTs. And then we've also started doing this. We've started putting in channel breakdowns where we're looking at faceless channels and basically doing a little breakdown of it, okay? So the plan with it is, so if I come back over here to the classroom, my plan with this is we will give away as much free content and valuable content to people so that they do actually see the benefit in signing up to Premium so they get access to all of the other different methods. And the software suite, we've obviously got this locked, but again, I'll show you this. So if I come in here, in fact, let me come out with this. Let me close it. So in here, over in the software suite, this one over here, what we do is we've got all of these different custom GPTs in here, and we also made it so all of our members can take these GPTs and actually sell them themselves in their own beacon store, which is free. And again, we walk through this process of how to set this up, link out to beacons and loads more stuff. And then you can see in here, we have got in this classroom all of these different GPTs. So if people are doing the Facebook method, we've got all of these softwares down here which will help them with their Facebook page and getting it monetized. We've also got YouTube, TikTok, Skool, Printer, loads in here. And we've recently just added in the viral video cloner, which is brilliant. It really is. So it's this one over here. All you have to do with this is take a screenshot of a channel, upload it, and then the software will give our users pretty much everything to clone a channel. It'll do this. You can see here, look, it will give the titles, the scripts, the video prompt, and it will also create the thumbnails. And this is all part of the $10 a month product. So that's what we've been doing behind the scenes on our journey to earning 10 grand. We've made it absolutely free so people can come in, they can get access to basically the first 6 classrooms, these ones over here, the gifts and resources tab. What we've done as well with this is every single week we add in new resources in here, and it doesn't matter which method they're doing. So you can see like this one over here, there's a link here to hundreds of activity sheets that they can sell over on Etsy. We have got video prompts, so like this one over here, a month's worth of content in minutes. We've got the custom GPTs, we've got chat GPT, agent mode, etc, etc. And then we've got loads more stuff down here as well. So like master resale rights. So every week I will go out and I'll buy different products that come with master resale rights, and we put them all in there. So that is what has been driving the growth, is by making this community free for people to come in, and then if they want to, they can sign up and go into any of the other classrooms. Let me tell you about the numbers really quickly. So again, you can see everything I'm telling you is true. If I come in here and we'll go to the monthly recurring revenue, you can see this is where we are currently up to with this. So in fact, let me go to cash flow so you can see it. So you can see here from November we peaked at £1 a month, and then it went down, down, and down. So we had 3 months where it was just going down, and I don't know why. We was doing challenges within the group. We made an affiliate program for the group, and no, just for whatever reason, nobody was interacting. So we went away, we did a lot of research on different groups which were working well. We looked at the different pricing model, and then as you can see, last month was February. Oh no, I'm lying, sorry. Last month was March because it's just turned into April. So you can see February we was 592, and then last month we took a jump up to 862. So it's going back in the right direction, and I'll update you on this probably in a couple more weeks. But $750 a month, it's not bad, is it? Recurring revenue for spending a bit of time in here. We're also starting to see wins in here from the community as well. You can see John, his Facebook page got monetized. Got Bridget down here, Sean sharing something in here, myself sharing other bits. So yeah, that's just a quick update on this for you. If you want to check this out, come and join us. It's absolutely free. There'll be a link somewhere on the page down below for you to come and check it out. But look, as always, if you've got any comments or questions, or if you've got any tips for growing your Skool community, do let me know. That's it. I'll see you soon.